Hi friends, how are you? Today I want to discuss the topic how to make a bootable USB for installing the Windows 11 operating system. For that, we just need to install one software like Rufus tool actually. I will show you now how to download that software. Just open any browser, just type Rufus download. Actually, it is a using the software we can make USB drive, flash drive, make bootable for installing the any operating system like Windows or Linux through USB. Just download the anyone. I mean, generally we use 64 operating system only, so I will choose first one only. Let me open the software and just install this one. Click yes. Yeah, actually, I mean in this one nothing, nothing is there to install. After you download that software, you can directly open that one. It will display the dialog box like here, like this. Actually, I already attached my USB drive here. This one, my USB drive. So actually, initially you have to attach the USB drive also to make the bootable USB. Um, and you have to download the ISO file also. Nothing actually, you can download the ISO file from the Google itself. Just go to the Google and type Windows 11 ISO image. ISO download. You can choose. You can go to. You can click the first one and click download now. Sorry, not that one. I think just to scroll down here. You when you scroll down, you can see here download Windows 11 disk image. Choose this option and select Windows 11 multi edition. This one and click download. It is asking for the language actually. Choose the language English and confirm. For me, I already downloaded actually. No need to download again. Verify your download. Just choose this one 64-bit download. It is started downloading. I'm I'm canceling this one because I already downloaded that one, so I'm canceling actually. For your information, I just show you this one actually. You can just go to the Google Chrome. I mean any browser. Just just ask for the Windows 11 ISO download and open the first option and go to the download. I mean go to the this one download Windows 11 ISO image. Choose the Windows 11 20 edition. and click download. It will ask for the validation request and the type and language also. Just choose the language and click confirm. Your download will start. I mean, in case if you don't have the Windows 11 ISO image, in that scenario, you can download like this. For me, I have the ISO image already, so I will go to directly to the software. Okay, you can see here you have to attach the USB also. I already show you when the video starts. And for boot selection, in this option you can select the ISO image. Select the ISO where the ISO image is located. Please select on this option and go to the location of your ISO image. I I keep that software in the D drive. I'm going there actually. Select the location in Windows 11. Select the ISO image and click open. It is you can see the status also here. It is scanning the image. I mean, it is checking for the what the software it is loading. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it is the ISO image. It is loaded actually. The image option it is standard. Keep it as it is. No need to change this one. And in the partition scheme, also you don't need to change anything. But for your information, I just want to give some information here. In the partition scheme, it is showing two options actually, MBR and GPT. Actually, these are two different partition types actually. In the earlier days, like older BIOS versions, we use like before Windows. I mean, in the earlier time, like Windows 7 or Windows XP, Windows Vista. In that days, I used actually MBR partition type actually because Windows 7 those operating system it is not supported GPT actually. So that's why in that scenario, if you use Windows 7 those operating system, you have to choose MBR actually. MBR means master boot record. It supports like only older operating systems. But in the latest scenario, and latest for latest operating system, we need only GPT. Both are partition types only. GPT, I mean in the MBR we cannot create more logical partitions. In the GPT we can create like up to 128 logical partitions we can create. So okay, I mean in case if you for latest operating systems like Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, you can keep GPT. In case if you are using Windows 11, sorry Windows 7 or any older operating systems, you can keep MBR. Okay, I will go with GPT only because it is latest operating system Windows 11. And the target system you can keep it as it is EEFI BIOS. Actually, by default, volume label it is taking this code actually. I mean this thing actually. You can change it is as Windows 11. You can keep it as before it is showing like that CC something. You can keep that one also. And file system, it is keep as it is only, NTFS only. NTFS means new technology file system. I mean, there is another FAT32 also there, but it is showing only NTFS. No need to change anything. And this one also by default keep as it is only. No need to change anything. So now you can self start. It is asking for the remove requirement for 4 GB RAM. I mean, you can, whatever the options you need to select anything, you can select actually. You need to showing disable BitLock or automatic encryption. If you want, you can disable also. According to your requirements, I mean, as per your requirements, you can change the options here actually. If you want to disable, you can disable the BitLocker option also. You can first option also. I mean, you can, if you want to uncheck this one, you can uncheck. Otherwise, you have to check any. You have to you have to check the option. You can check also. Yeah. I will choose OK now. And it is asking something. I mean, if there is any data on your ESP, please keep it. I mean, please keep save that one because it will. When I choose OK, it will all the data will be lost. I'll press OK. The process has started actually. It will take up to maybe less than 10 minutes. Meantime, I will show you another thing also. You just go to right click on the my computer or this PC, click show more options and click manage. If you go to the disk management, I mean you can check the partition here. I mean the disk. You can right click on this one and go to the properties. You can in the volume section you can check it is GPT or MBR also. As I already told you, latest operating system it use GPT only. In the volume section you can identify here. GUID. I mean GPT means GUID partition table. GUID means global unique identifier. Globally unique identifier. In case if it is Walra, I mean any other like Windows 7 or the Walra operating system, it will show MBR here. The partition style it will show MBR here. This is as this is a new operating system. I mean Windows 10 or Windows 7. It will show GPT here. Please wait few seconds. Please, if you want, I will give you the link of this Windows 7 ISO link. I will make a comment on the description. You can check there also. Otherwise, you can go directly to the Google Chrome or Google. You can search there for the Windows 11 ISO image. You can download it from there. Actually. I mean, this processor is useful for because older days we have the CD-ROMs like that. I mean, you can using if you, I mean using this CD-ROMs as discs, we can format the laptop or laptops actually. But nowadays, latest laptops all are manufactured designed using without the CD-ROMs actually. That's why using this is a very useful tool, Rufus. We can make your bootable USB and we can install the or format the laptops using this tool. This is a very good method for formatting the laptop using the USB. Not only this Windows operating system, you can make Linux also. Linux operating systems also like any other Linux. There, like in the Linux, there are a lot of flavors are there. I mean, Red Hat or any Ubuntu also. Any operating system you can make portable in this way actually. But the for Linux operating system, the file system may be different. I think in that case. Please hold for some more time. It is taking more time longer than expected actually. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, thanks for waiting. I think it's the process comes to end. I think you can see here applying Windows customization 99% actually. Yeah, you can see the status here. The process is completely displaying the message is ready. So you can close this one. You can close this software. I will go to the my computer. You can see the you can see this now. The flash drive it will become bootable. You can see the setup file and boot files also here. That's it guys. This is the way you can make the USB drive bootable for the Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating systems. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and please hit like button. Thanks. Thank you guys.